my boss was about to lose it. Our customer base was shrinking and everyone in the company was putting it on me. I mean it, I was going to be axed. If I didn't come up with some ultimate solution, it was over. I'd be fired, my girlfriend would think I was a loser, we'd break up. Wait. That's me. I'm Ryan. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Sorry, I jumped ahead in the story. I'm still new with this whole narration thing.
We're losing customers. It's because they can't get decent service anymore. That's not how I built this company. And I'm not about to let some kind of overly complex and problematic communication system ruin my business, Ryan. It's going to change. Or we'll all be sending out resumes.
See this guy? Yeah, the guy you just saw talking to me. That's my boss, Ken. He started this business years ago with a couple of his buddies. Now he has thousands of employees and 10 times as many customers all over the world with Follow the Sun contact centers and everything. If I don't fix this whole communications and customer service problem, I'm cooked and good. And so's the company.
Hey Ryan, thanks for coming in to see me today. Boy, I've seen your look before. I hear your boss isn't happy about the lack of communication integration.
That's Grace. I thought I'd spare you some of the pain and just jump past Ken laying out the challenge. She had me pegged from the moment I met her. Nobody had been able to help me figure out how to do things the way we needed it done. I had to find a way to totally revamp our communication system. No more excuses for making customers wait when they called in or got lost in the black hole of our email system. No more excuses for waiting on all our different vendors to make changes and blowing our budget. Ken was on a mission, which became my mission. Actually, it became our mission.
Ryan, do you believe the mess we're in? I keep buying new systems, but nothing talks with each other.
We have to cut costs and improve customer service, or we're forced to cut headcount. We either improve our effectiveness or we die. I have to take care of all of this, or else. And you don't want to know what or else means.
I hear this every day, Ryan. It sounds like you've got a different server for every function. ACD, quality monitoring, outbound dialing, and a different vendor to deal with for each one.
Yeah, and integration is a nightmare. And if we try to add functionality, good luck. I'm looking for a vendor who will solve our problems. I need someone who is committed to getting us out of our mess. I need someone who's going to take an innovative approach and not just push the legacy status quo.
Sounds like status quo is what got you in trouble in the first place.
And I've got dozens of startup companies who are just trying to sell us on innovation. And Grace worked for a company that had exactly what we needed. We need someone that can combine a forward-looking approach with experience. We need a partner with experience in the contact center, experience with contact centers the size of ours, experience with contact centers in multiple locations like ours, with work-at-home agents and with the dynamics of an ever-changing business. I found a vendor who, over a decade ago, decided that there was a better way to use technology to dramatically improve business communications. They decided to throw out the traditional, antiquated methods, along with all the multi-box communication systems that made legacy vendors rich and customers stranded. Grace brought it all together. Her company created a single standards-based software platform for multimedia interactions. It took big-name vendors straight on and helped customers like me kiss their proprietary hardware systems goodbye forever. Before Grace, I'd never heard anyone identify the problem so clearly.
Well, it all sounds impressive, but you still have to know what all this cool stuff does.
It means all these adaptable applications. It means I save my job and the company. I get all my agents' interactions controlled from right here. Phone calls, web chats, conferences, email inquiries, and data screen pops. With the click of a mouse, our agents can pick up calls, send them to voicemail, record them, place people on hold, conference in coworkers and customers together, or transfer a caller across the country. The presence management capability lets the users see the real-time status of others on our system, regardless if they work in our corporate office, from home, or out of one of our branch offices. And this isn't just for the contact center. We can deploy this rich functionality to all of our business users in the company.
It'll improve your productivity as well.
Our contact center supervisors and IT teams found the system so straightforward to manage. With just the click of a mouse, supervisors can see real-time statistics, reporting, and can monitor contact center agents. Administrators can use the graphical environment to easily provision users, establish dialing plans, and set up database lookups. And the people. I couldn't believe this company was filled with people that were really passionate about helping me. That was the answer we were looking for.
Of course we want to help. It's what we do.
Well, Ryan, what have you got for me? I sure hope it's good.
You are going to love this. With a single point of administration, we get no more legacy hardware, no more software that doesn't communicate across systems. And that's just the start, Ken. All of our communication needs are solved.
Well, we need innovation, we need experience and value, and you found it, Ryan. Job well done.
This wasn't a typical corporate video, and that's because we're not a typical telecommunications company. Over a decade ago, I founded this company because I saw firsthand the inefficient and poor use of technology in the contact center and enterprise. Today, we have over 2,500 companies in 55 countries running our software. And we've grown from a small startup to a successful, thriving public company that serves all business communication needs. I hope you take away a couple things from what you've seen and heard. The first is that innovation is at the very core of what we do. We invest nearly 20% of revenue back into R&D in order to deliver to our customers the most comprehensive, standards-based offering available. Sparked by the broad adoption of Voice over IP, we've developed applications and functionality that simply were not feasible with the old hardware-based multi-box systems. From multimedia queuing to speech-driven IVR and outbound campaign management, we've built a platform that delivers a comprehensive, unified communication solution. Second, I'd like to emphasize that we know the IP contact center and IP telephony like no other vendor. It's our focus, and the experience that we've gained over the years has been put into best practices that deliver a competitive advantage for our customers. We'd appreciate the opportunity to show you what we can do for your business. Oh, and you're probably wondering what happened to Ryan. Take a look.
And now, the recipient of the Employee of the Year Award, Ryan Hoffman.